50% off sa lahat ng services sa salon, spa, barbershop, all-in-one shop na ito sa Balagtas. Tara! Yung mga kanoos, alam niyo ba ang nalaman ko? Kami napadpad dito sa San Juan, Balagtas, Bulacan upang mag-pamper sa Alchemist. For hair salon, meron silang balayage, hair color, rebond, and cysteine treatment. For barbershop, haircut for men. Nail services, pwede ka magpa-soft gel and polygel, manicure and pedicure, foot spa, and extension. For facial services, merong hydrofacial, carbon laser, signature facial, Diamond Peel, Mesolipo RF for slimming facial. For Gluta services, meron silang Gluta Drip and Gluta Push. For hair removal services, for underarm, facial hair, full arms, full legs, Brazilian, back and chest. Massage therapy like their signature massage na talaga namang nakaka-relax. And meron din silang waxing services for different body parts and makeup services. And yes, sobrang mura ng promos nila na you can see on the photos na ilalagay ko din sa baba. Meron silang wifi kaya di kayo maboboard during your stay here. And they are open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day kung pupunta kayo. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na at mag-pamper dito sa Alchemist sa Balagtas, Bulacan. Let's go!